Hi, my dear friends. Here we are going to see how to install MySQL database in a Windows OS. Here I have taken Google. Here I have searched MySQL download. So here we'll get mysql.com, and here we can click MySQL community server, MySQL installer MSI. Go to download page. Click on this particular download button to download. So if you like to sign up with Oracle, you can do it here. Otherwise, click on no thanks. Now MySQL installer will be downloaded. It will take some time to download. Now download is completed. Now open this installer. So here we can see different options. So I'm going with the developer defaults. So that will contain MySQL server, shell, router, workbench, Excel, and connectors for Java, C++, ODBC connectors and all. Okay. Click on next. Then click on execute. Now it is installing all these products. Agree, install. Install, finish. Click on next. Click on continue. Execute. Click on next. Next. I'm going to create a standalone MySQL server, not a MySQL cluster. So I'm using standalone option. Next. This is the port number. MySQL will be listening. So if you want to connect from Java or Python or any other application, if you want to connect, this particular port is very important. Click on next. Here we need to provide the root user password. Here I have provided a weak password, that is why it is saying password strength is weak. And if you want to create additional users, we can add more users. I am okay with one root user. Don't forget this password you have provided, that is required while we connect to MySQL later. This configuration is to run the MySQL while startup as a MySQL service, and click on execute. So a new service got added in Windows Service List. Now click on finish. Click on next. So it's actually MySQL router configuration. I'm just going with the default. Next. So here just checking connectivity with the server. Check connection succeeded. Apply, execute. Click on finish. Next. Finish. So here we'll get MySQL bench and MySQL shell get opened. I'm just closing all these things. So we have installed MySQL. Now open a command prompt. Type cmd. So we'll get a command prompt. Type MySQL. So we get this particular error. MySQL is not recognized as an Indian or external command because it is because MySQL path is not there in the environment variables. So let's see where we have installed MySQL. I have installed MySQL in this PC, C drive, program files, MySQL, MySQL server, and here you can see the bin folder. And I'm just copying this particular path and setting this path in the environment variables of my computer. For doing that, if you search environment variables, you can see edit the system environment variables. So here we can see path, click on double click on path, click on new, paste MySQL path, copy the MySQL directory, click here, copy this particular path and paste here, click on no, control V, okay, okay, okay. Now close this particular command prompt and take a new command prompt. I'm opening a new command prompt and typing MySQL. So we got access denied. Okay. So we need to use the command MySQL -u root -p. So provide the password we provided while installing MySQL. We have configured a root user password while installing MySQL. I'm providing that here. So we got the MySQL terminal, and here we can see the databases. So here we can see I have a spelling mistake here. Show databases. So these are the some sample databases. We can create our own database and we can create tables. Okay, that will be we will be doing that in a separate tutorial. Okay. I hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching this.